We are at a harvest host, and probably one of the best harvest hosts that we have run across so far. Travelers, if you're not in the harvest host program, you need to be, because this is what we get to hang out at. This is amazing.
Yeah.
It's like being back at home on a local farm. They've got beef that they sell here, pork, they got milk, fresh eggs that they collect daily, and then obviously in the background it's fall. They've got the pumpkins and the mums and the hay stalks and all the kind of stuff. But this is actually a working farm. It's 200 acres. It's called the Pope Farm, and definitely should be one of your stops.
Wonderful people.
Wonderful people. Super, super nice folks, and we'll get a tour of the property here shortly. If you enjoyed seeing us at the Pope Family Farm, we certainly enjoy stopping at our Harvest Host program and using it as we travel along the road. There's wineries, breweries, museums, car shows, farms.
Did we say farms?
Yeah, all types of things that you can stop and stay at. Usually it's for one night. If you'd like to be a part of the program, we have a 15% off discount. Look down in the description, save yourself 15%. At your checkout.
Links down below.
Links down below, and we will see you next time.
Bye.